Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Lapis Corner, and today I bring you an amazing tutorial on how to braid a French curls braided wig. This one is a full lace braided wig. So first we're going to be starting with our full lace, which we ventilated with attachment, and then this is the coils we're going to be using. This is from Darling Superstar. So guys, I'm going to encourage you to watch this video to the very end so that you can learn one or two things from this video. You can actually do this for yourself at the comfort of your home. So we're going to start braiding this hair, and if you have not learned how to ventilate full lace or full closures, what are you waiting for? Check my videos on how to ventilate closures, frontal, full lace, everything. Just check my video and you will see something that will help you achieve whatever you want to achieve. So if you're seeing my channel for the very first time, you are super welcome. It's the Lapis Corner, and I'm glad that you stumbled upon this video today, and I'm glad that you're going to learn one or two things from this video. And I'm going to be putting all the product I use on this particular hairstyle today. I'm going to put in all of them in the description below, so feel free to check my description and check and see everything that we're going to use, so that you can also look for them in your location and then use them for your own braid in case you want to do something like this for yourself. So guys, I'm going to see you at the end of the video. So guys, we are done with this particular tutorial, and then this is the final look. This is how it came out, looking so clean and flawless. Thank you all for watching, and I'm going to see you on my next one. Bye.